Hi, I'm David, and I've been teaching Maya for 20 years. In that time, I've seen a lot of truly terrible work from both newbies and experienced modelers. If I'm truthful, I've created some of it myself. Now, this is because Maya is notoriously difficult to model in. It can be a truly frustrating, monitor-kicking experience. Couple of edge loops here, some bevels in the wrong place, and before you know it, you've got enough topology to make your graphics card start crying. So I'm going to go back to basics, because creating a great model, a truly great model, is about more than pushing a few edges and pulling a few vertex. There's an entire raft of ducks you need to get into a row before you can even start the modeling. So we're going back to take a look at the fundamentals for modeling in Maya, the ones you need to end up with that lovely quad-based mesh with good topology, rather than that giant mess that you try and import into ZBrush, which promptly panics and crashes back to the desktop. We've all been there. If you've done any modeling in Maya, you'll understand how frustrating, just how frustrating it can be. Maya forces you to create models with good topology. If you try any other way, you're going to end up needing a new keyboard after you've Hulk smashed yours. So in this course, I'm going to try and give you an understanding of the core concepts in Maya, the ones you need to create those great models. Now, I can't teach you to become an expert modeler in Maya over the course of 4.5 hours. And anyone that tells you any differently is trying to sell you one of those learn Japanese in 24-hour books. But hopefully I can give you enough understanding of the process to make it enjoyable, at least to the point where you won't need to buy a new keyboard and monitor every week.